It's a meat. Yeah, it's a meat. Here comes. Westbound too. Oh, here's the eastbound. Oh my God, great one. Sorry. It's a meat. Meat. Finally. Really? Dumbass. Jesus. B97, and here comes the westbound thing. Yes, westbound. Emmett, Michigan. Here. Cool. Meat. Guys, a little hard to see the other one. Yep. Gabe and weird one, weird one. MP97, MP96 and MP97. Look at eastbound stopping. Why, I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think so. Oh my. Yeah, he's stopping, no. Sorry. I don't know. Westbound stopping too. Oh, he's stopping too. He's slowing down, he has to stop for a signal. Maybe. Stopping. Yep. He's stopping because the signal's red, so that's alright. Yep, they both stop, huh? I think it's because, hang on. Here's the westbound, but it stopped. Here, let me show you the eastbound real quick. It's a little hard to see, but I think it's M396. There's a coal car right there, see? So we'll wait a few minutes to see what this westbound does. It might be, oh. Uh-oh, moving. Oh, it's moving. Now the signal's gotta be green red back there for the westbound, so. Eastbound's moving too, yep. I can't tell. Looks like it. Huh, that's a meet in Emmett. Cool. Perfect meet. Perfect meet. Yep, this is CNM for 97. Sorry, I can't talk very much, I'm sick. But the other one's M396. That one's from Memphis, Tennessee to Toronto, Ontario. CNM for 97 westbound from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, bound for Gary, Indiana with mixed fight. Yep, now he's moving. Yep. There he goes. I see the end, yeah. I see the end of it through my binoculars at the westbound, but I think the eastbound's gonna move right after. But we'll find out in case we get another westbound, but I doubt it. Just depends, you know? Hey, those cankers. Look at that. You waved. He waved at me. New coal cars. Oh, here comes the end of it. Eastbound moving, I hope. So we're gonna keep racing this way. I'll check the signal and see if it's doing it. I'll use the binoculars, so. It's a meat. Meat. Yep. Alright, is eastbound gonna move or what? I don't know. No? It's all reds right now. Alright, I'm gonna stop the video. Emmett, Michigan.